I'm filming this on November 6th, so yeah. What the fuck? And we're back. Yes, I tried filming that last week and it just couldn't be done, guys. I just didn't have it in me. My spirit was a little crushed. And I tried to muster the might, but then I was like, you know what? Maybe I'll just give myself some grace this week because we're going through a lot right now. I also just felt a little weird. I was like, I don't want to post a silly little fashion video this week. Like, I don't know. It just didn't feel right. And maybe it still feels a little weird, but like we have to persist. And honestly, creating and being a loud voice and being yourself is so, so important right now. So that's what we're doing today, I guess. We're talking about November outfits that I'm excited to wear because why the heck not, you know? I need something to feel excited about right now. So I think we should just jump right into the outfits. This first outfit is very light academia, cottagecore-y. I don't know how you would categorize it, but I was inspired by this skirt that my friend gave me. It used to be her mom's skirt in the 80s. And it was handed down to me, which was really special. I love the colors. I don't have a ton of clothes that like match with the colors of this skirt. They're very like muted and dusty. But I dug up this light blue button up that I have that I never wear. I don't know why. And I threw this little knit vest over that. And then I wanted to add this belt because I felt like the top didn't look good untucked and it didn't look good tucked into the skirt without a belt. So I thought the belt also added like a really nice dark color contrast to the outfit, which is very pastel. I paired it with my dark brown loafers, and then I just threw on my white wool jacket that I thrifted. All in all, I think this outfit is super cute to like go to a coffee shop and read, or like go to the library and study or something. All right, so my next outfit was supposed to be like 70s rocker inspired. It doesn't really look like that. You can see what I was going for. It looks good nonetheless, so I'm happy with it. I started out with my favorite pair of brown pants. These pants I thrifted recently. They feel like pajamas, but they don't look like pajamas. And that's what I want in a pair of pants every time. And then I layered a cream blouse with a black vest. And I think what really brought it together was the last three elements: my black boots, my new leather coat that I thrifted in London that I can't shut up about because I love it so much, and then the shades. And I feel like that's really where the rocker energy was coming from. I think if I had just a couple more like actually vintage retro items, it would look more 70s. But alas, I don't really have too many like authentically vintage items. Oh my god, the collar on this shirt is like shot. It keeps doing this. I'm sorry. I know, I'm gonna look back at this footage and just like scream. All right, outfit number 3. This one is so whimsical, but very simple, not too many items going on. I recently acquired a red turtleneck when I was, again, in London. This one was not thrifted though. I got this at Uniqlo, but it was really cute. It's super soft. I'm gonna wear it until it's just like threads. And then I have these thrifted cream pants that are just like the comfiest. They have this big like stretchy band in the back. They're not like super flattering to be super for real, but they're comfy. And I feel like this would be a great like Christmas Day outfit, Thanksgiving Day outfit, but I didn't stop there. Really the star of this outfit is this like crocheted hood that I got off of Depop. It's so, so cute, guys. It's so whimsical. The little like point in the back. What am I, like a winter fairy elf? It's definitely one of my favorite pieces in my wardrobe. I would love to get more. Maybe like the ones that are just like a little hat that like tie in the front. I would love a collection of those. All right, moving on to the next outfit. Let me preface it by saying I have been listening to a lot of country music. I know, who are they? I never used to be a fan of country music. I never like hated it. And I've always liked folk music. I've listened to bluegrass. I've enjoyed the genres that surround country. I just never really got into like country. And then something changed. I've been making a playlist. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. But this outfit was inspired by my new love of country music. This outfit started out with my blue bootcut pants, and then I have this like poofy sleeve cream top. It's like one of my absolute favorite tops. I feel like it goes with everything. And then obviously the brown vest over top that. That's really where the Western came in. And then I put on my brown boots. These are probably the most like Western-y boots that I have. I mean, my black boots are kind of Western looking, but I just wanted to switch it up for this outfit. And then I think what really just sent it over the edge into Western world is the scarf around the neck. That was like a last minute addition, and I was like, all right, this is officially my country outfit. Country spelled the other way. If you know, you know. Now, if I really had to pick a favorite out of all these outfits, this next one might be the one. I started off with this white button-up top that I thrifted a while ago, and then I put on this silk slip that my grandma handed down to me, but I wear it as a skirt, because times be a changin'. I think it's really beautiful. It's not very see-through, and I wear like my black little shorts under it, so it works. And then I put on this jacket that I almost forgot I had, and I can't believe it because it's such a unique piece. I love the sleeves and the color, and it's just super autumnal. And then I was like, you know what this outfit needs? A little pop of red. My favorite thing currently. A pop of red. So I put on this beret, and you know what I realized? Do you guys remember that like Flower Fairies book from when we were kids? I used to obsess over like, which fairy am I? And I picked the one that was like the most androgynous looking, I guess. I liked that you couldn't tell if this was like a boy fairy or a girl fairy. It's just a they them fairy. And they were wearing this little berry hat. So I think that's what this outfit was truly inspired by. And then of course we have the tan socks, the black loafers to complete the look. Okay, this next outfit is like academia equestrian. I started off with this thrifted polo that I got recently, and I love the colors. It's like a dark blue green, and then it has the little gold like emblem thing on it. It looks very like private school kid. And then I was like, well, let me pair this with my tan skirt because that looks like a skirt that goes with a school uniform. And then I was like, I could go full academia and wear my black loafers, or I could wear my knee-high brown boots, and it's almost a little equestrian looking now. I don't know if that's just in my head, but that was like the initial thought I got. Apologies to any real like horse people who may be watching this. I know that it doesn't look anything like an equestrian outfit, but like a little bit of a vibe, maybe? No? Okay. And then lastly, I had to put on my brown corduroy jacket just to like give myself a little bit of extra warmth. This is like a November outfits video, so we are like conscious of what's gonna keep us warm, especially in this skirt. Like, what the heck? What was I thinking? Alright, so to keep on theme with the academia style looks, this one is more like light academia. I started off with my super comfortable wide leg blue jeans. These are actually from Target. They're like the Target brand. What is it called? Urban Threads or something. Obviously I try to thrift as much as possible, but jeans are like impossible to find. Where does anyone find jeans that fit? It just doesn't happen. It's a fantasy. But anyway, then I put on this white blouse that I absolutely love. I love when something is like pretty simple, basic, but then has a few elements that make it stand out. And then I think what really makes this outfit academia is the sweater vest, the Argyle sweater vest. And I love the blue with the blue jeans. And then it really makes my blue eyes pop. I really want to wear more blue. I don't have a ton of blue pieces, but whenever I go thrifting, I'm always looking for some blue. All right, and last but not least, this is the teddy bear outfit, as I call it, because it's like all brown and very cozy. I was pretty much inspired by this plaid blouse that I have that I never wear, and like kind of wanted to style an outfit with it to see if I wanted to keep it or not. I'm still on the fence about it, honestly. I think it's really cute. I just am not sure if it's my current style or not. But yeah, I started off with that blouse and a pair of brown slacks. And then to give this outfit like a little bit of whimsical chicness, I threw on this brown velvet beret. And I feel like the beret really helped dress up the outfit. And then I threw on my brown loafers once again, and that was the completed look. And this is the completed video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know which outfit you guys like the best. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, perhaps. I'm also pretty active on TikTok and Instagram, and I also have new music out, so you should definitely follow me on Spotify. But without further ado, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!